I'm Nick the Food Man. Today, in honor of it being China Day here in America, we're going to be celebrating Chinese culture by eating some delicacies we found in the Chinese market over there. Got in a little trouble with the Yakuza while we were over there, so we're kind of hiding over here so we don't get fucked, you know. Alright, so anyway, now, so what we got here, so we're going to start off, we got our drink here. Is this the first time we've done a drink on Nick the Food Man? I believe this was called...
No, first one.
Oh, yeah, never
Arizona.
mind. Alright, so this is a grass jelly drink. I have
the calorie.
no idea what this is. So there's one serving in this container, 100 calories. It's not that much, to be honest. Looks like it's some kind of like Jello here, but that might be ice. I cannot tell you for the life of me what this is.
Wait, see if there's any ingredients.
All right, so
maybe,
what we got here?
Maybe this is like something we add. It's just a drink. It's just a drink.
Yeah, I think so. All right, so let's crack this bad boy open and see what we get.
First whip.
It actually does kind of smell like honey, but it smells like it could be like tea or something. All right, let's go in for the sip. Ew. That's just like, it's like a really just like kind of like a shitty tea. I don't know. It's like sweet tea, but like kind of shitty. But I mean, it's not that bad. I don't like it actually.
It's not bad. It's not that bad.
Yeah. So China, good job.
Read out the ingredients. Maybe you're...
All right. So, quantity. It actually just says quantity. Look, it says quantity. Quautity. Quantity. So, and then I think all the ingredients are in Chinese. Oh wait, no. Here we go. All right. Water, grass jelly, masana, procumbens, hemzel, cane sugar, cornstarch, and honey. It's got some natural honey. This is from Taiwan, so it's not China. But
alright, so rating.
Holy fuck! There was actually a little piece of something in there. I don't know what that was, but there was a little piece of something in there. I take a big gulp. Yeah, this guy's kind of messing with us. I take a big gulp and I get this little fragment of something.
Right, one last swig.
All right.
What's that?
What the fuck is this? What is this?
Take it. Just eat it. See what it tastes like.
What is like a bee that's been like crushed?
Looks like the Campbell's soup. And the chicken noodle. What's? just fuck it.
Spit it out. Oh, I swallowed it.
Alright, one last swig and then.
Fuck. What the fuck was that?
What was that?
I'm done with this shit. That was gross. That's really freaking me out. Alright, now on to the main event here.
The main event.
You've probably seen real savages like the LA Beast or Matt Stoney eat this shit.
Kevin from Mega 64.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so we got some preserved duck eggs, also known as 1,000-year-old eggs. Here,
I got a box cutter.
I got it. Look at that. Just crack-a-lackin'. This is bad for the environment, but I think keeping duck eggs for thousands of years is also probably worse.
It's China, so.
Yeah, they make not quality stuff. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this in my back pocket.
So let's just look at the ingredients.
Oh my god, you can kind of smell it.
Yeah, I can smell
it. Alright, ingredients: duck eggs, water, sodium carbonate, salt, and tea.
Tea? You got some tea in there?
Yeah. Alright.
That looks so shady. It looks like drugs.
Okay. Am I supposed to crack these, right? Like, that's the shell.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
How about you just smash one on the ground, just see, like...
Alright.
We can just, like, get a feeling of how we do it.
Alright, so, real quick... Alright, so let's just smash this one here. Hold on. I'm taking off my shoes because these are new. I do not want to.
You were just stepping on like.
Yeah. Alright. Here we go. Alright.
It didn't crack at all.
What? Okay. Alright.
Look if we can do anything. Come on.
This is gross!
There it is.
Holy shit. Holy fuck.
Nick, what's the point of like being like gross about it? You're gonna eat it.
Yeah, you're gonna eat it.
I know! That's still gross as shit. Look at this. Alright. Can we pause the video? Because I want to look up if like these are safe to eat.
Yeah.
Welcome back from that brief commercial break. Nick the Food Man is back. So yeah, it seems like these are safe. I already feel like I'm gonna shit myself just in general right now. So I don't really know what these are gonna do to me. Maybe they'll make me do like out of both ends or something like that. So let's crack this baby open, and then I'll have this as backup if I'm like throwing up and I need to get this shitty taste out of my mouth. Alright, so that's not like the duck eggs. Alright, so we're peeling it here. Oh my fuck. Holy shit. This is so nasty. Oh Lord, oh Christ. Gosh. Alright, well.
What's the thing? Maybe Nick, really, like.
Okay, Michael.
No, that's just from the shell. That was just like a little skin thing that comes out of the shell.
It's not like.
That looked kind of like a little disease there. It's a little cancer. Don't really...
They do 1,000 years. Can't hold it against them.
Yeah, that's true. All right. Oh, fuck. Okay. Dear God, please don't let me fucking die from this.
For the views, God.
Yeah, it's... My hand's a little sticky now. I got like some friction. Oh, it smells like fish. It smells like fucking fish. All right.
Are we gone?
We're fucking going. It's going for
3,
the bite.
2,
Don't eat
1.
the part that looks like disease.
It's over here.
Yeah, Michael, we're good.
You just ruined a perfectly good. Let's go in for the bite. All right.
All right.
Anyway. All right.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go in for the bite. Oh God. Oh my shit! What the fuck is that?
Wait, let me get it.
Oh my shit. Okay. Alright. Well, sound like Sammy Classic Sonic fan. Alright, back up, Michael. I need to this thing. What is this? Why is this even a fucking food? It doesn't even exist. It's not real. Oh my shit. Look at this. Alright, I'll eat the jelly right here.
Taste the jelly and we'll slowly transfer into the whole thing.
Back up, our micro.
Drew, just stop holding this egg. Just stop holding.
I know.
We'll get into it. I gotta be a little quiet. Be a little quiet.
I'm trying.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Way more disgusting than the 9-year-old egg.
Like you just gotta say like, wait, go.
Alright. Wait, hold on. No, this is a famous Chinese move called the karate chop. That's how they cook their eggs. We got it. Alright. I'm not fucking eating that. Holy shit. It's more than 1,000 years old, man. It's like fucking... Surprised there's not
It's
a
a
little...
variety. They're like Skittles.
Are you fucking serious? No way, Jose.
No, that's just paper. That's on it.
No, I think this... Yep, no, that's the real deal!
It's just like the lemon one.
I'll get a different one.
This one's good.
Could save that for the montage.
Some poor bird's gonna try and eat that now.
No, they're gonna think it's their... Look at this thumb. It looks like I just shoved my thumb in my own asshole.
For the views. For the views. Oh.
Shit.
Alright, that one's good. That one's good.
Now this is a 1,000-year-old egg. This is the kind of egg you're looking for. There's one in every batch that's just the perfect fucking egg. It looks like we got it right here, folks. Finally found it. They're buying a whole fucking package. We're going to Wendy's and I'm getting a fucking Frosty after this. Alright.
Smash that like button.
Yeah, smash it for my Frosty.
No, we're only going to Wendy's if we get 1 billion likes on this video.
Yeah, we're only going to Wendy's if we get 1 billion likes.
Yeah, give me 1 billion likes.
Smash it.
Yeah.
Smash.
Yeah, smash it and I'll...
Smash
Sex joke.
Smash that mother fun like button.
Yeah. Alright.
Just don't even think about it. Just stop looking at it. Just stop looking at it. Just don't even... Just need to control your inner food man.
I am the food man. Hold on, I'm gonna take my shirt off. So now it's getting legit. Real quick.
Oh, it's coming off.
Now this. Let's go in for the bite.
You're Nick the food man.
I am Nick the food man.
3,
2, 1.
True.
Holy fuck. Was that puke or?
Uh-huh.
tacos. Okay. I think I'm done.
Just one more good old bite, man.
That was a perfectly good pizza, and now I'm getting none of its nutrients.
The views, though.
Fuck the fans. I'm in it for the money. Stand back a little bit.
So how does it taste while it's in your mouth?
It tastes like a fish.
Come on, let's take one slice of
Come on! I'm not throwing up the whole fucking pizza! I'm not gonna do that.
Nick.
Please, just let me be done.
Just finish the egg. You're so close. You can't say you ate one half. You gotta say you ate 1 century old egg.
I have like fucking Stockholm syndrome for fucking shitty food. Fuck. Yeah, you know what? At the end of the day, I am Nick the Food Man.
You did it. Oh no.
Well, there's the whole
Holy fuck. Alright, well. This isn't even Chinese Day, I made that up. I'm Nick the Food Man. Signing out. Thanks for watching. Fuck you, Michael, and your environmentally aware gay shit. Call me pick this stuff up. You positive.
Crawling in my skin, these wounds they will not heal.
Message to all of the Chinese.
Your food is shit. Especially 1,000-year-old eggs. I'm never eating Chinese food ever again. As long as I live.
Crawling in my skin, these wounds they will not heal. Fear is how I fall. Confusing what is
See these? These are dimes. These have Dwight D. Eisenhower on them. All right? America wins once again. Fuck you, China. Oh, shit.
Have you driven a Ford lately?